Hello, welcome back to MOXO Essentials. In this video, we are going to talk about our new remote test scheduler. Once you log into your account, you can add a new test to a recent client directly from your dashboard, or head to your client's page to see all of your clients. When adding a new test and selecting the remote test option, a new checkbox will appear which allows to schedule the test for a specific time and date. The date and time settings are based on your system default and can be changed. And don't forget to click Save. Once the test is created, you will receive a confirmation email and a calendar invite. At the same time, an email will be sent to your client with detailed instructions on how to run the test and when, including a calendar invite. One last thing, in order to reschedule the test, all you need to do is click the test number and then click the scheduling icon. Once changed, both you and your client will receive an updated email and calendar invite. Thanks for tuning in to another MOXO Essentials training video. See you next time.